How can I learn to code fast and make a career as a programmer? Here are tips and tricks to learn programming faster. Are you ready? Let's begin. 1. Make your fundamentals clear. When you start doing programming, pick one programming language, stick with it, and clear all the basics of programming first, before going to the next level. 2. Learn by doing. When you write the code, play with the code, change your code to see different results, optimize the code and try different solutions. Your logical thinking ability improves day by day. And you eventually learn a lot of things that make you a better programmer. 3. Use online resources. There are plenty of online resources are available. You can take help from these online resources and start your programming journey. You can watch coding YouTube channels, or try coding boot camps to learn programming. 4. Share, teach, discuss, and ask for help. One of the best ways to understand programming easily and quickly is teaching. Teaching to someone, sharing your knowledge, doing discussions with other programmers will make you a better programmer quickly. 5. Take breaks. If you want to learn programming, it's not good to sit in front of a computer for hours and hours, and try to grasp everything in one go. Take some short breaks to get refreshed. Learning to program is not an overnight journey, but it's also not as difficult as people think about it. All it just requires is dedication, passion, interest, and definitely patience. Thanks for watching.